Jantize Area Developers don't clean buildings. It's an executive business model with a huge opportunity. Here is where the area developers succeed. High-volume business-to-business sales. It's tremendous cash flow. A new rookie sales guy went out and sold $3,000 worth of business in his very first 30 days with no experience following our step-by-step system. Tremendous cash flow and a very quick return on your investment. Monday through Friday, no inventory. No supplies. You need a desk and a couple phones. You're gonna have exclusive protective territories and build equity that generates this passive income. Jantize Area Developers are seasoned executives with expertise in business management. Some sales and some marketing is helpful. We can teach you those things. We want candidates who want to grow a scalable, recession-proof business with unlimited income potential. Follow along, click the URL behind me.